Okay, so who do you think it is that creates this difference in charge? And what I mean by that is the negative inside versus the positive, more positive outside. And the answer to that question is the sodium-potassium pump. Remember that sodium has a positive charge as well does potassium. But this pump moves these things in opposite direction and in different amounts, and it creates this difference in charge between the outside and the inside of the cell. So let's take a look at how it actually does that. So in its original conformation, the sodium-potassium pump, which is a protein, it's an active transporter pump, which means we're going to use ATP. The very first thing that happens is sodium, 3 sodiums bind, and that creates an ATP binding site. Okay, that creates that ATP binding site. Then, this should be a green box here, ATP binds, and then the whole thing will change shape. And now it is open to the extracellular fluid, so the outside of the cell. Okay, now the pump is open to the outside. The sodium, with its positive charge, the sodium binding site changes and no longer fits the sodium. So our 3 sodium falls off. So how many sodium have we moved to the extracellular fluid, to the outside of the cell? 3. So 3 positive sodiums have moved out. Now what happens? A new potassium binding site has formed. And then potassium will bind to our sodium-potassium pump. A phosphate from our ATP falls off. And then our pump is going to return to its original conformation like it looked before at the very beginning. And when it does this, our potassium binding sites change again and our potassiums fall off into the inside, into the intracellular fluid. So we add 2 positive potassiums in. And that is what makes the outside of the cell more positive than the inside. Okay, so make sure that you know these numbers, and it is the sodium-potassium pump that does this. Almost every single cell has a sodium-potassium pump. You're going to see this over and over and over again. And it is critical for establishing the ability to make electricity in our neurons. So understanding this now is very important. Make sure that you know this. Put you a big star by that. Okay? So this is normal. This is what we're going to see establishes resting membrane potential for our neurons.